Hey, it's Rob. How you doing? I'm checking out another app. I've downloaded this quite a while ago, but I still use it once in a while. It's called Yumly. Now, this is a great app because, first of all, it's free. And second of all, you can actually search for different recipes on here. So, let's try a search here. Let's try barbecued ribs. So, you get several different recipes on here for different types of ribs that you can make. If you click on the little Yum button on the right side, Yummed, it'll add it to your list. Let's scroll down a little bit. Grilled barbecued ribs. Now it gives you the ingredients here. If you look down, nutrition, also gives you some reviews on people that have actually tried it before. Now on this app, you can search for just about anything. And it gives you several different recipes to choose from. Let's try skillet. See, barbecued pork, country breakfast. See, a lot of these look really good. Let's add this one to our yums. So once you add it, you can go back, click on your yums, and there it's saved. So you have a few different recipes saved on here. It's kind of a fun app to have, especially whether you're good at cooking or not. To be honest with you, I'm probably average at best. Let's try another search. Let's try crockpot. It gives you different recipes you can make in a crock pot. It's a great little app to have. I don't use it as much as I should. And there's even several different recipes for Spam. Now some of these might seem kind of odd, but they are worth checking out. I've never really tried Spam. Pineapple, I'll eat anything, just about anything with pineapple in it. Go ahead and check it out. If you follow me on YouTube, click the subscribe button. On TikTok and Twitter, I'm at Rob Strand. Let me know what you think. Leave some comments. If you have some apps, games, or anything you want me to check out, websites, let me know. I'll check them out and maybe feature them on a video. Till next time, have a good day.